Hey, today we're going to talk about Android 17. Yes, you heard that right. Android 17. It's not officially available yet, but I managed to install it on my Pixel 6a, and I'm going to walk you through how I did it, step by step. This flashing method is the gold standard for almost all Android phones, especially those in the Pixel lineup. First off, let's talk about where to download it from. I downloaded Android 17 from its official website. It was pretty simple. In the next part of the video, I will provide you full details regarding downloading, so watch the video till the end. Now, let's talk about some special features of Android 17. I'm just doing a final sweep of the UI here, checking out the quick settings and the flashlight controls, just so we have a clear before image in our heads. You might notice the theme pack options and some of the customization features I've been playing with. It's all very polished, but Android 17 promises even deeper integration and smoother animations. Now, let's get into the installation process. First, go to your phone settings, then select the About Phone section. Once you're in About Phone, as you can see, my phone is running Android 16. Now, go back and tap on the build number 7 times. Doing this will enable developer options on your phone. Once you've tapped 7 times, a notification will appear saying, "You are now a developer." And back again, enter System, then Developer Options. From here, the most important thing is to toggle on USB debugging. This allows our computer to talk to the phone. Once that's done, next enter your phone into Fastboot mode. Power off your device completely. Once it's off, hold down the power button and volume down simultaneously. You'll feel a vibration, and then, boom, you're in the Fastboot interface. All right, it's time to move over to the PC. This is where the real work happens. I'm opening up Chrome and heading straight to the official Android developer website. You always want to get your files from the source. Don't trust third-party mirrors for system images. I'm navigating to the Android Beta for Developers section. Under the Flash a Factory Image tab, there's a massive list of supported devices. I'm scrolling down until I find Pixel 6a and the corresponding BlueJ image for the Android 17 preview. Once I click download, I have to agree to the terms and conditions, standard stuff. While that's downloading, I also need the SDK Platform-Tools. This is the package that contains ADB and Fastboot, the two main tools we'll use to push the new OS onto the phone. I'm grabbing the Windows version since that's what I'm running on my desktop today. With both zip files downloaded, I'm heading to my Pixel folder on the V drive to keep things organized. First, I extract the platform tools. Then, I extract the Android 17 factory image. To make things simple, I'm going to copy all the files from the factory image folder, like adb.exe and fastboot.exe, and paste them directly into the extracted platform tools folder. This ensures that when we run the Flash script, it can find the tools it needs without any path errors. Now, open the folder where I combined the image files and the tools. I'm going to click the address bar, type cmd, and hit enter. This opens the command prompt right in that specific directory. I'm plugging the phone into my PC using a USB-C cable. Connection is everything here. Now, for the moment of truth. I type /all.bat and hit enter. Now, just sit back and watch the magic happen. The script is doing all the heavy lifting. It's checking the bootloader, sending the radio images, and then it starts the big task, writing the partitions. You can see it's moving through the boot image, then the system, product, and vendor partitions. This part takes a few minutes because it's moving gigabytes of data. You'll see the phone rebooting a few times into fast boot mode, which is totally normal. Don't touch the cable, don't close the window, just let it finish its job. Once the command prompt says finished and tells me to press any key to exit, we're officially in the home stretch. The phone reboots one last time, and instead of the old logo, we're greeted by the clean white Google G. This first boot always takes a bit longer than usual because the system is setting up the new file structure for Android 17. The setup screen looks familiar, but definitely has that new OS crispness. I'm going to breeze through the initial setup. Welcome to Android 17. At first glance, the home screen might look similar, but the animations feel incredibly fluid. Let's go straight to the proof. Settings greater than, about phone greater than Android version. You might notice it's showing Android 16, but it's actually Android 17. This is because it's the Android 17 beta. After an update, the logo will change to reflect Android 17. You can look it up online. The Android 17 logo hasn't been officially finalized yet, which is why you're seeing this. So, that's how you do it. We've successfully moved from 16 to the cutting edge of 17 on a Pixel 6a. This process is reliable, clean, and honestly the best way to ensure a bug-free experience when testing new software. I can't wait to dive deeper into the new features and see what Google has hidden under the hood this year. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.